After taking the planters out of the molds, it's time for grinding. When the planter body was took out of the molds, the surface is uneven. The worker need to smooth every sides and all corners. This would help the later makeup and painting. After grinding, the worker will start mending the small holes and lost pieces with the prepared material. This will assure the pots become perfectly smooth and no defective pots. After the pots are perfectly made up, our painting department workers will start for the first painting, the ceiling painting for isolating the pots with water, frost, and oxygen. This will avoid the pots from oxidizing, frost, and efflorescence. Then comes to the second painting. It can protect from direct sunlight. This painting is anti-scratching and anti-fading. Some colors also need the anti-water painting and special coating painting. All colors can be customized as to your needs. After painting, the pots need to be drying for 7 to 10 days before packing. There are many different ways of packing: PE, bubble foam, mail packing, etc. These are all depending on customers' requirements. Till now, you will see how many procedures will be needed before a fiber clay pot finished. All products are made, crafted, and finished by hand. This approach creates unique pieces that meet the highest quality standards and the highest quality. We aim to provide you lightweight, high durability, natural appearance, modern design, and 100% handmade planter pots. We sincerely hope that our pots will add a touch of luxury to your home and enrich any outdoor space.